Hi, my name is Ed Cross. My law firm is currently hiring Civil Litigation Associates with experience in construction or insurance bad faith. We represent property damage restoration contractors in disputes with their customers and insurance companies, and we dominate this space nationally. Our cases involve claims for breach of contract, insurance bad faith, and construction defect. We operate in California and Hawaii. We're opening an office in Texas, and we have other states coming after that. Do you deserve to make more money? We pay more because I believe that well-paid employees do better work and they're more fun to be around. This all promotes positive thinking. Money is important, but I also need to find joy in what I do, and I make it a priority to hire people who are not just smart, but they like to have fun when they work. They're easygoing and they're down to earth. They have a good sense of humor and their joy is contagious. Are you doing work that's really important? Is your work really fulfilling? Our firm exists because property owners and their contractors suffer when insurance adjusters abuse their superior power. Our purpose is very clear: to level the playing field. Our mission is to make seismic changes in how insurance companies handle property damage claims. The results hold meaning for every member of our firm. This is what drives me, and I'm excited to come to work every day. This is a remote work position. Work from any location of your choice. We're looking for lawyers currently licensed in any of the following states: California, Hawaii, Texas, Nevada, Washington State, North Carolina, or New York. So what will your legacy be? Just a bunch of closed files that will soon be forgotten? Or will you make a long-term impact that benefits generations to come? Get more out of your career, professionally and financially. Click the link below to see more information about this position. If you know somebody who might be right for this job, send them over, and I will write you a check for $5,000 on their 90th day of employment. Call me and let's talk. My cell is 760-902-6550. Stay positive and test negative.